Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to blur your background in a Microsoft Teams meeting. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, community, we have the chat and the calendar, and in the bottom left corner we have the invite to teams and the search bar in the top side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and blur your background in Microsoft Teams meeting. So first, start by joining the meeting as you normally would. Of course, I won't be going into a meeting, of course, because of the obvious reasons. In the meeting controls, click on the more actions, the three dots, and select the video effects and settings. In the video settings, choose blur to blur your background. You can preview the blur background before applying it. Once you're satisfied, click apply to set the blurred background. This will keep your background private and help you maintain a professional appearance during your meetings. So you just need to go and follow these few steps, guys, to know how to do it in just no time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.